So here's how you set up a alarm summary desktop in AKCPro Server. You can add a new desktop. We'll call this alarm summary demo. And then under your devices, you're going to drag across one of the devices here. And you can go to switch to overview and then select all hosts. So once you do that, you will then get a summary screen of all hosts and all of the sensors that are in a specific condition. So you can choose to filter this and say I want to view all of the sensors that are under alarm condition right now. Or you can choose to view all of the sensors that are under normal condition right now. So that's how you set up an alarm summary screen.